Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? I am feeling really well today actually. Thank you for asking. If you're asking. Alright, so I have been thinking a lot about this and what 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 I want to accomplish is that you should be able to start this Pomodoro timer, close the website and then come back again, and it should still be ticking from the right time, from the time that you started. And you should be able to open it on your phone. So we should be persisting the start and pause on some kind of database, and probably the easiest is to do it on Firebase to start. And I'm also thinking that we should save all the chain of events, so we save like objects with the start time and an event start, and then we have an event stop or a paused. When we stop the timer, that's probably the end of the event. Then after that we need to reset. But if we pause the timer, then we should be able to start it again, right? So some kind of timer event maybe, and we want to have type. We could actually use the timer state. And then we want to have a timestamp, something like that. And then we can save these like that. Then we don't really need to have elapsed seconds and start time and timer. All these are contained in the last timer event. So then we can just have a constant start time, or then we can have the constant of timer state and start time and paused time in a use memo where everything is just calculated, right? So if there is an event, the last event, okay, why is this not? Oh, it thinks never mind. If we have a last event, then we return. Okay, this isn't what I was thinking about. But if we have a last event, then we want to return timer state last event.time, although we also want to check paused events or paused time, and then we check timer events and filter those for all of the events that are paused, right? Paused events. And then we can calculate the paused time by, for example, using a reducer. Okay, I don't know what this is trying to do. Post time. Post events dot. What are we trying to do here? Map. No, wait a minute. We need to calculate from the last paused event to the next running event, right? All right. So we should probably do a function for this. Calculate paused milliseconds. And then we just send in all the okay, let's say we send in all those. Calculated paused milliseconds. So yes, let's see what is this saying. Pause time is 0. Then we loop through every timer events. If timer events dot type is paused, then we have a paused time. Right, exactly. So we take the next event, which is probably running, since you shouldn't be able to create a paused event if you have a paused timer, you know. Yeah. And then we return the paused time. Awesome. Thank you. Finally something good from what is called Copilot. Thank you. And we have paused time. Calculate paused milliseconds. Thank you. So we give this a dependency array with timer events. So every time that changes, we get a new timer state, start time, and a pause time. Yeah, and if there is an event, the last event, then we will actually calculate everything. Otherwise, we haven't started the timer yet, you know. So every time you stop the timer, we should also clear and make a new timer. Yeah. And that's when you probably you send the stopped event to Firebase, and then you clear everything. Yeah. Sounds good. Let me know in the chat if I'm being too ambiguous or something. Pause time. Then we have paused time. And we need to find the start time. Timer events dot filter. Okay, so what do we want to do? We want to grab the... Why did everything go to... We want to grab the type and filter when type is equal to running. This should probably be the first event always, right? Yeah. So timer events 0, which should exist. Nice. All right, so paused time and start time. So we should be able to calculate the timer time from start time minus pause time, right? Yeah. Sounds good, Chunky. Sounds good. So what do we have here? Set elapsed seconds. Why do we need elapsed seconds? Delete that. Start timer, pause timer, stop timer. Right, so we need to be able to create timer event type. Set timer events. We want, yeah, I think this is right. All right. So let's remove all those. Go down to our code, to our buttons, and have them actually create a timer event of running, of paused, and you guessed it, of stopped. Nice. So we can remove this. Yeah, we need to probably calculate these again. Remove those. All right, so we should have some kind of use effect. Where if timer state is running, then we set an interval. But it wants to create timer events. No. All right, no, this is where we need to force everything to actually change, and nothing's changing right now because everything is memoized, I think. So we can force everything to just change by using a set timeout. And clear timeout. All right, constant. Screw it. Let's not clear it. And we don't want to do this. We want to set tick and we don't need this to go up to the millions. We can just we just want it to change, once every 50 milliseconds. And during that tick, we should update this memo. Oh, the use effect needs to update if it's ticking or if we're changing the timer state. Yeah. All right, we have a use memo here, and we want to return as default. Let's return 0, 0 and 0, 0. Oh, sorry, 25 and 0, 0. If timer state is stopped, right? And otherwise, do we need now? give me something. Okay. Yeah. So we want to return minutes and seconds, and we can let those be total seconds. Yeah, thank you. Why can't I have a timestamp? Oh, so start time is 0. Oh, here we have timestamp, sorry. So then we don't need to check timestamp. Okay, right. We have total seconds, then we just need to calculate minutes, and Copilot should be able to do this quite simple. Reload the page, press start, and it's, yeah, I guess it's doing something. Probably not the thing I wanted it to do, but yeah. Right, so here we have, let's add a constant pomodoro minutes or something. 25. And we can add that here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, minutes. All right. Pomodoro minutes minus that. So when it goes up a minute, it should go down here, I think. Let's see. Come on, come on. I know you can do this. Yes. All right. So it's ticking up and we want it to tick down. Should be as simple as just doing another parenthesis here and 59 minus everything. Right, so in the beginning we will have, wait, what happens if I press reload everything, start? Oh, alright, so what if we change that to 24, press start? Nice. I think that's what we want, right? Yeah, so what we just need to do now is save the timer events to Firebase, I guess. And then we have this working. What happens if we pause? Everything crashes, right? To be expected. No, I have no idea why. What does it say? Okay, it wants to have a timestamp, but it doesn't have a timestamp. Oh, right, because we haven't started the timer yet. Oh. Alright, so we should probably can we do something like next time and then just a question mark, and otherwise date now, next time, start, and let's see, pause. Ooh, all right. Look at that. I'm kind of excited. It actually worked. All right. Yeah. And we can pause. We can start. We can pause. We can start again. All right, all right. Yeah. What happens if we stop? Okay. Oh, oh. Okay, so stop. It works-ish. It should, although, clear everything, right? Or it should like if let's make it to do here. To do. If stopped, reset timer events and save to Firebase. Actually, we should save to Firebase every time we change an event, right? To do save per save state timer events to. Alright, yeah, we could actually save them to local storage for now. Or I don't know, maybe that's just annoying. I don't know. Look at that. Stop. Start. Ah! All right, we never fixed this. If stopped, set timer events to as a, yeah, to an empty array. Nice. And yeah, in here we should okay, we don't need to do that since we did that. Save timer events to local storage. So that we probably need to do. Stop. Okay, why is so why is it not going back? Wait, we could do something like this. If there is a last event and last event type is not stopped, otherwise stopped and otherwise return. Yeah, I guess. But we don't have a last event. This is weird. Stop. Okay, maybe we just needed to refresh the page. Pause and stop. Okay, it was not just that we needed to stop. Wait a minute. Maybe we are not refreshing the page. Could that be it? What if we change this? Oh, right, not just on the tick. We also change these when the timer state changes. Let's see here. Yeah. All right. What if I pause and stop? Okay, it's weird. I can start 1 second with pause. But lucky for us, we can disable this if timer. Wait, if timer state is paused, or if timer state is not running, then we probably want to, oh, what did I do now? All right. If not running, then you should not be able to press pause. And probably not stopped as well. Let's add that there. All right. Yep, not working. Great. Now they are. Cool. All right. Damn, the sun is messing with my screen here. Oh, let me move just a little bit. There we go. So we can, let's add a navigation maybe. Nav and const nav equals to, and export default nav. I guess that's the nicest way, I guess. Preferred way, something. I just like using functional functions as components like that. All right, so here we have the layout, and we want to have the nav on top of every layout. Now we get the nav imported up here, and we have it down here, so it should be on every page. Yeah, sorry, you're wrong. Copilot. Let's see here. Let's add, we can just add nav tag so we know it's a nav bar. Give it class name. What do we want? We want it to be full width. And we want it to have a max width of, do we have screen? And maybe, I think we had 1440, but 1280 should suffice. Full width, max screen, and then we also want it to be in the center. And we do that by having an auto margin. We can, should we have it take absolute space? No, or like no space? I don't know. We can start like this, I guess. Okay, better, thank you. UL, home, projects and stats. So, yes, we want to justify end, like that. And then we want to have our icons. And wait, where do we have installed any icons? No. Let's install some tabular icons. All right, a lot of stuff. How do can I download the package manager? PNPM is what I'm using right now. Thank you. And then do you see anything? Can I make this bigger? There we go. Now. All right, so we just paste that in there. And suddenly we have some nice icons. And we restart the dev server, go back, and it's installed in there. We drop our link. And yeah, we could use an image, but now we have the tabular icons, so they should pop up in here. Icon, or icon, what icon did I use? Is there some kind of chart or something? I didn't save the name, damn it. Icon chart bar. Thank you. What? Alright, let's do this ourselves. Tabular core. What? Alright, why is this not working? Alright, this is weird. I should need to be in there. Tabular React, how do I do this? Come on. Shouldn't be hard. Alright, what did I install? Tabular core. Alright, install this one instead. Remove. Thank you. Install icons React. And restart the dev server. There we go. Okay, please, come on. Chart bar. Import icons React. Why? Yes. All right, works. We are back on track, guys. And icon list. What kind of list did we have? Yeah, nice. Wait, this was supposed to be the stats. And then we have icon. All right, I don't think we actually made a link to go home, but we should probably have icon timer. You have that? Time clock. Wait, let's go and check out their icons. Clock, timer. Should we use this one? Maybe? Hourglass? Ooh, this one is nice. Stopwatch. Yes. All right. And then we just, since we have flexed, we can use gap. Did we have, let's see here, we used 32, so we can use gap 8, I think, 8, 9, P, oh, sorry, wrong. Gap 8 is 32 pixels, nice. Oh, that's a big gap. I think that should be fine, right? We could probably, let's make a function. Why not? Navigation item. We want to have a link and an icon. Yes. Something like that. And we can create a navigation navigation item props, and have the href be a string and icon be a React node. Awesome. And then we plug that in here. Navigation item props. Alright, why is that not working? Oh, it's just that I can't really see what I'm writing, I guess. There we go. Then, you know, we can... Wait, no we can't. I wanted to be able to add these class names just once. Alright, never mind. Let's do it like this. Let's have a list here. Const. Links. And we have an href and the icon. Thank you. Something like that. And then we just map it over here. Links.map. And we grab the link. We can just href and icon. And then we also have, we need to know which page we're on so we can highlight the correct one as well, right? And we can delete all these. Why is it complaining? Do we need another of those? It looks like we did. We give it a key with the href maybe. And remove this and put the icon in there. Alright. We still do have the class name multiple times though. Icon class name. And we plug that in there. Icon class name. Icon class name. Icon class name. Because we also want to be able to hover, then alright, we need to have padding around these. Padding 4, I think. Padding 2, 3, 2 maybe. And on hover, we want to change the background to primary 600. Yeah, oh right, we are now tiny. What if we make this padding smaller and make the icons bigger? 12. Yeah, all right. We also want to make them round. All right, it's not understanding that I'm in a class. It's kind of clipping the icon. That's weird. We can live with that right now. All right. What can we do more? All right. If one of them are active. So if we click this one, we should go to Alright, we don't want an A tag, we want the link from next. Yeah, yes. Still not working though. Why not? Why are you not working? Oh, my bad. There we go. Project, statistics, and the timer. Awesome. So, did I miss something? Oh, we also have the user page. Settings, and we can use icon, user, circle. There we go. All right. We don't have the user page now, so it's going to crash, but yes. So what do we do now? Buttons or background? We could do background actually. Let's think statistics page. Yes. Let's grab the wave here. Can we do that? Is it locked somehow, maybe? Desktop 6. Right, it is locked. So let's grab this one. Export this as an SVG. Export vector. Go into our projects. And the Pomodoro timer app. Don't we have an assets folder? I don't know. All right, let's save it here. Let's see. Wave. Stats wave. Stats B background. Something like that. We also want the tomato. You probably need to download or to make some kind of background for mobile as well, since this will be probably not fit the mobile size. Tomato BG timer BG. We should probably grab this one though, since it has both the rectangle and the vector. Export to group, export, SVG, grab that, and replace the stats. All right. So let's go to let's start with this page. And we should probably just be able to place it here using the image source logo. No. Assets and don't we have a public page? Public folder? That's weird. Alright, so maybe it's in here. Did they change this? Anyway, let's put the assets in there. Alright, see if that works. And go to image, assets. But do we have stats? Right, stats BG. Alt. Stats wave. Background wave or something like that. We need to have some kind of relative width and height. Let's see here. So this group had width 1440 and 782. And then we give it class name. Maybe absolute. Inset 0. Top auto. Alright, the image did not work. Where do I put the image? This is the problem with JavaScript. Everything changes all the time. Next.js assets folder. Static assets. Alright, where do I put those? Public. Using the app router. Okay, so it's the same. Alright, so we want to have a public folder. Public. And then we put the assets in there. This should work. Ooh! Why do we have a line in there? Ah, damn it. There. Probably because these are two. Can we? What if? Yeah, let's just delete this rectangle here. All right, we need to create this background image for ourselves. Then we grab that one, that. Oh, those points there. Why not just grab all of those and drag them down there. Nice. All right. And now we should not get a line. Please work. Come on. Assets. Timer BG. Oh, wait, this is the stats one, right? Let's see here. Okay. Reload the page and no line. Nice. Although we don't have anything else on our page either, so we should grab the image. Since it's absolute, we can. Oh, hey, we have our stuff here actually. Just give it set index of -10 or something so that it's always behind. Yeah, looks good. Actually, we don't need it inside this div. We could just, put it outside, because then we know that we have our logic and stuff in there, and the images down here. So now we can. All right, we want to have the tomato as well. Where is our tomato? Right, we have let's just paste it there. Timer BG. What sizes do we have on the timer BG? Let's see here. $14.40 and 900 and let's round that up. All right. Nice, and let's give it a 9 so it's above. Yeah. All right. All right, that's not too bad, but it should probably be a little bit more up, you know? Yeah, this is what I mean. We need to have one for mobile because the screen ratio is kind of messing up our image right now. So let's just make one that is for mobile. All right, we have that there. Let's put a mobile, or just we have frames, you know. Why am I not using frames? Frame, phone, 16 Pro Max. Thank you. I can't see anything. All right, shrink. Can I shrink this one? The tomato. Put it in there. Something like that. Then we put this one. We could shrink this a little bit actually. Something like that. Shrink it even more. Yeah, I don't know. Something like that maybe. Center it a bit. Something like that. Yeah. Now we're talking. Remove the fill. We can have that the fill should not show up in the export. Grab the SVG. And we have stats BG mobile. No, wait, this was tomato. Damn it. Right, we can change the name. Timer BG mobile. There we go, and then we also need to make the one behind. Let's grab it from the stats. Copy that one, go here, paste that one in there. Just to see how it looks. If we do something like that. Yeah, it works, I guess. Hide those. Grab this one, don't show the background in the export. And then we have the stats BG mobile. Oh. Right, we should save our code soon to the GitHub page. GitHub repository. Alright, so only show this if LG block and otherwise hidden. So when the screen size is bigger than 1024, I think, we show these images, otherwise we hide them. And then we grab those and then copy paste those stuff in the mobile there, hide those on LG and show them. Hide those on LG. Okay, not really what I wanted. All right, kid woke up. Thank you guys for